welcome back to my channel. Now before I start today's video, I really want to give little introduction to my new subscriber about my channel. My channel name is Lifeomania and here I share my life with you. Mostly I talk about skincare because I'm so passionate about skincare, but also I share my personal vlogs, my travel vlogs or whatever I feel like to share. So now let's start today's video. So today I'm going to review this product, Moon Balance. I already talked about this product in one of my video. I did the first impression and I told you that how this product tastes, and then I promise you in that video that I definitely gonna share my experience with you that this product helped me or not. So first of all, let me tell you what is so special about this product. So the brand is Your Superfoods, and I already told you guys that I have this hate and love relationship with this brand because some of the mixes are really good, but now I'm feeling that they are introducing new mixes with the same ingredients, like one ingredient is different than the other, but most of the time I feel why they are doing it, because they were doing great with few mixes. I found that two ingredients different, other ingredients are the same, which you can see in their Forever Beautiful mix or in their chocolate mix or the other mixes. So this is just my point of view. So when I saw Moon Balance, I was very excited because it's all about the women health, and it says that it's gonna improve your hormones during your periods or in journal. So I was like, okay, let me try. So the hero ingredient in this mix is Shatavari. Shatavari itself, it's so strong. And about the other ingredients, we all know they are pretty good, especially the amla. It's full of vitamin C. So here is 6 ingredients and they are good, nothing wrong about it. Now I know guys, you want to know that this product worked or not. So let me tell you my experience. So I tried more than a month, and to be very honest with you, in first month I didn't see anything. I didn't notice any improvement in my hormones or in my mood swings. Luckily I'm one of them. I never feel any kind of pain during my periods, touch wood. Like if there is any pain, it's really very mild, but I feel lots of mood swings. So first month I didn't notice anything, but I think after a month I felt that my mood swings are not that severe. So that's the only change I noticed so far with this product, and to see that change, I had to use this product more than a month. So you have to be patient with this product, because if you see the reviews on their website, some women claiming that they got the results within 15 days. Some women are saying that they got the results within a month. Some women are complaining that this product is not that good. So guys, we have to understand that we all are different, and products, gonna work on you differently. So this is the first thing. Now let me tell you that why I'm not going to buy this product again. First of all, if I like to improve my hormonal health, I would like to use Shatavari itself. I'm gonna buy capsules or powder, or maybe if I go to India, I can buy the herb itself and I can make my own powder. Second thing, this mix is not bad. I'm not saying this mix is bad, but it's not that great because they are making mixes with different ingredients, and they can't just give you Shatavari powders. So they add beetroot, amla and whatnot. But when I was talking with my Ayurvedic practitioner, I have a friend in Delhi, he is studying Ayurveda. He told me that Shatavari is really good with ashwagandha and with turmeric, and there is no ashwagandha in this product and there is no turmeric in this product. I mean, this is his opinion. I'm not saying ingredients here are bad, but according to him, if you are using Shatavari and ashwagandha together, you're gonna get more better results. So that's why next time if I need Shatavari, I'm gonna buy and I'm gonna mix with something else, and I always have turmeric in my house. Next thing, whenever I try to research about their ingredients, I always feel the ingredients are good, they are not bad. But the problem is they never tell you the ratio of the ingredients. So it's very confusing, because when you are talking about Ayurvedic herbs, you need to know everything about the herb, because in Ayurveda there are certain herbs which are very strong for your body, and only Ayurvedic practitioner can tell you that how long you should take these kind of herbs. For example, ashwagandha. When somebody is very new to ashwagandha, it's always saying that take ashwagandha for 3 to 6 months and then take a break and then restart. Not every person is very good with the herbs, so they need to tell the ratio. I know one person, he told me that I am okay with some particular herb, but my doctor said that you need to take this herb in some proportion. So for example, if you are sensitive to some particular herb and you can only take in a little amount, you need to know that how much amount is there in the product. So for example, Shatavari, I have no idea how much Shatavari they are using in their product, how much amla they are using in their product. They are using an equal amount, or if something is little or something is more, it's total confusion. So I think they need to be more open about the ratio, but because of the privacy issue or patent issue, they can't tell you the ratio of the ingredient, which I totally understand, but for me it's not gonna work. Last thing which I feel that this is not a right fit for some women. Now guys, I can buy this product again, no issue, but we all are different. We all follow our own budgets. So it costs you $34 and you're gonna get 200 grams. I feel it's pretty expensive for some people because it's not economical in my point of view. And if you are talking about women health, if you're talking about they're making a product which is very good for women hormones, you can't sell so expensive, like it's $34. I can understand everything is organic, but I think you can keep the price as much as you want, but at least you can increase the quantity. So even if somebody, think twice about buying the product, but when the person sees the quantity, that person can make a mind that okay, it's a little expensive, but it's gonna last to me for 2 months or so, so let me give it a try. So that is my point. So this is not economical. So in my point of view, if you are looking for something to improve your hormonal health during your period, I would suggest go to Amazon or go to any other Ayurvedic store and buy Shatavari from there. I mean, the other day I was looking Shatavari on Amazon and I found that Banyan brand, Banyan is a very good brand. They are selling Shatavari in a 1 lb package and it costs you only I think $20 or $26, which is like good. You are getting much more product. Now it's always up to you. If you want to start with your superfood or if you want to start with the Shatavari itself. But anyhow, if you are using this or that, you need to know full knowledge about the product. So the bottom line is, this product is not that effective to me. So this is my experience with this product. I hope you like it, and if you like it, you can subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, stay safe and take care. Bye.